My name is Hakan Sundelin. I'm the regional director of the Electreon in the Nordics, but I'm also the leader of a subgroup within the EU Sustainable Transport Forum, focusing on electric roads. And this, just to give you an overview, it's a EU arranged forum, and the purpose of this is for the EU Commission to get knowledge on the current ongoing aspects of electrification and sustainable transport, and where electric roads is one of them. But it's important to mention that it's only advisory. We are not in any way making decisions. We are only informing the Commission about current activities and where the research and the activities are going. And just to give you an overview of what's happening, if you should take the next slide. It's been mentioned by many already. So next slide, please. We are currently so one back. We are currently having electric roads system projects in a large part of the developed world. If you see you have the green countries where there are ongoing projects, and then you have the different technologies. And as you can see, there are quite a few. And I think that this is also what we are trying to address to the EU Commission. And if it was yesterday, the market maturity or readiness report was released. And I think the Commission has a challenge of getting in pace with a new technology as electric road systems. Since we are moving so fast, there is so much happening at a much higher pace than in other technologies. Next slide, please. And just to give an overview, so just within the last month this year, we within Electreon has deployed electric roads on the A10 highway outside of Paris. Next slide. And just actually last week we finalized the commissioning on the Autobahn outside of Nuremberg. So the pace is really moving on, and I think this is important for us to, and that's one of the main purpose of this forum, to provide this information to the Commission. Next. So what we are currently doing is trying to, in as structured way as possible, to conclude the state of the art of electric roads right now, and more importantly, highlight what's been said earlier by Jacob and David mainly, how the impact has, or what kind of electric road impact will do on a large-scale electrification scenario, because as stated, then we'll have a big impact on parkings, on static charging, but also land use. But also, as mentioned, of course, when we move into autonomous vehicles, we need to look into different charging methods, but also to the combination of, because it's not a silver bullet in any way, so we also have to show how electric roads or dynamic charging interacts with the static charging. So by that, I would like to say thank you and hand over to the next.